Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Varje Pune. We will continue the chapter linear equation in two variable. Today we will solve practice set 1.3 question number 2. Solve the following equation using Cramer's method. Equation is given 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Which is the first step? First we have to write both equation in general form. These equations already in general form. Therefore we write 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. This is equation number 1. Write equation 2 below equation 1. 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is equation number 2. Now we take 1 is the column of coefficient of x, 2 is the column of coefficient of y, and 3 is the column of constant. Determinant D means 12. Meaning of 1 means the 1 is nothing but the column of coefficient of x with their sign. Which are the coefficient of x? 3 and 4. And 2 means the coefficient of y with the sign. Tell me which are the coefficient of y in both equation? Negative 4 and 3. Now find the value of determinant D. First we take मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ 3 ने काय करायचंय पहिले लक्षात घ्या. हा प्रॉडक्ट घ्यायचा आहे 3 ने या 3 ला मल्टिप्लाय करायचा आहे. हाच पहिला प्रॉडक्ट घ्यायचा आहे. 3 इंटू 3 मायनस इंटू ब्रॅकेट. नाव निगेटिव्ह 4 ने कुणाला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे? 4 ला. देयरफॉर निगेटिव्ह 4 मल्टिप्लाय टू 4. Now simplify these. 3 3s are 9 and we know that the multiplication of same sign always positive. Therefore minus into minus becomes as plus. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 9 is nothing but how much? 25. Now determinant dx means replace the coefficient of x by constant. In the determinant d, the first column is the coefficient of x. Therefore replace the first column by constant, that means 32. 3 means the column of constant. Which are the constant in these two equations? 10 and 5. And 2 means the coefficient of y with their sign. Tell me which are the coefficient of y in both equations? Negative 4 and 3. Find the value of determinant dx. म्हणजे काय करायचंय पहा, पहिला क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन 10 ने कुणाला मल्टिप्लाय करायचंय? 10 इंटू 3 मायनस इंटू ब्रॅकेट. आता निगेटिव्ह 4 ने कुणाला मल्टिप्लाय करायचंय? मायनस इंटू मायनस बिकम्स एज प्लस. 4 5s are 20. 30 plus 20 is nothing but how much? 50. Now determinant dy means replace the coefficient of y from the determinant d by constant. Therefore determinant dy means 13. 1 means column of coefficient of x. Then tell me which are the coefficient of x in both equation? 3 and 4. And 3 means column of constant. Tell me which are the constant in both equations? 10 and 5. Now 3 multiply to 5 minus into bracket. 10 ने कुणाला मल्टिप्लाय करायचंय? 10 multiply to 4. Simplify these. 5 3s are 15 minus 10 4s are 40. Here 40 is greater than 15. Therefore give the sign of 40. And 40 minus 15 is nothing but how much? 25. Now by the Cramer's method, x is equal to, tell me formula. X is equal to dx upon d. Value of dx is nothing but how much? 50 upon d is 25. Dividing by 25 we will get 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. Therefore x is equal to how much? 2. Now y means dy upon d. The value of dy is negative 25 upon 25. Simplify. Dividing by 25 we will get 25 ones are 25. Therefore y is equal to negative 1. Therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to negative 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Second example. Solve the following simultaneous equation by using Cramer's method. 6x minus 4y is equal to negative 12 and 8x minus 3y is equal to negative 2. Observe, the given both equations are in general form. Therefore, 6x minus 4y is equal to negative 12. This is the equation number 1. And 8x minus 3y is equal to negative 2. This is the equation number 2. The first column is coefficient of x. Second column is coefficient of y. And third column is constant term. Now, we know that d means 12. 1 is the column of coefficient of x. Which are the coefficient of x in both equation? 6 and 8. And 2 is nothing but coefficient of y in both equation. Which are the coefficient of y in both equation? Negative 4 and negative 3. Find the value of determinant d. 6 ने काय करायचं लक्षात घ्या, निगेटिव्ह 3 ला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे, मायनस इंटू ब्रॅकेट निगेटिव्ह 4 ने कुणाला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे, 8 ला. नाउ simplify this. 6 into negative 3, that means these two numbers have opposite sign, therefore their multiplication is negative, and 6 3s are 18. Now minus into minus becomes as plus, 8 4s are 32. 18 and 32 have negative sign, therefore we take subtraction. 32 minus 18 is equal to how much? 14. Now determinant dx means 32. 3 means the column of constant. Tell me in both equations which are the constant? Negative 12 and negative 2. Now 2 means the column of coefficient of y. Which are the coefficient of y in both equations? Negative 4 and negative 3. कोणता पहिला क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन घ्यायचा आहे? निगेटिव्ह 12 इंटू निगेटिव्ह 3 मायनस निगेटिव्ह 4 इंटू निगेटिव्ह 2. Now simplify this. The 12 and 3 have same sign. We know that the multiplication of same sign always positive. Therefore 12 3s are 36. Minus sign as it is. The 4 and 2 have same sign. Therefore minus into minus becomes as plus, and 4 2s are 8. 36 minus 8 is nothing but how much? 28. Now dy means replace the coefficient of y by the constant term. Dy means 13. 1 means the column of coefficient of x. Tell me the coefficient of x in both equations? 3 and 8. And 3 means the column of constant. Tell me which are the constant in both equations? Negative 12 and negative 2. Now 6 multiply to negative 2 minus negative 12 multiply to 8. Now 6 multiply to negative 2. That means multiplication of opposite sign always negative. 6 2s are 12. Therefore negative 12. Minus into minus becomes a plus. 8 12s are 96. 12 has negative sign and 96 has plus sign. Therefore these two numbers have opposite sign. We know that if two numbers have opposite sign, then we take subtraction. 96 minus 12 is nothing but how much? 84. By Cramer's method, x is equal to, tell me formula, dx upon d. Value of dx is equal to 28 upon d is 14. Now dividing by 14, we will get 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. Therefore x is equal to 2. Now value of y is equal to dy upon d. Value of dy is 84 upon 14. Dividing by 14, we will get 14 6 are 84. Therefore y is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, also share this video and like this video. Thank you.